I just wanted to hop in here real fast because I am running into a real life situation that I just thankfully solved, where a client, I'm editing a real estate video, and the client is wanting, basically the grass is dead. They're like, hey, can we switch the shot, or like, can you fix it? And I wanted to just fix the shot because it's quick and it takes about 5 seconds. So I'm just gonna jump into this. So basically this is the shot right here. It's super, straightforward. It's not that long of a shot. I think it's like 4 seconds, if that. It's just this little grass shot right here. So they didn't like the dead grass right there. And I was like, okay, cool. Now, normally I probably would have opted to just switch out the shot, but I don't really have anything else. So what I did was I created an After Effects little pre-comp thing, and I basically created, I right-click it, I did replace with After Effects composition, and it took me to here. So I know obviously After Effects seems a little scary, but trust me guys, this is such an easy fix. It's actually insane. So what you're gonna do is, the clip is already in here. I let it buffer out and do its thing. All I'm going to do is mask this little grass right here, right? So after I zoom in, basically all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna press G on the keyboard. That's gonna give me a little pen tool right here. I'm gonna basically just create a mask around this piece of grass, or this dry part of grass, I should say. Doesn't have to be crazy accurate or anything like that. It just has to, oh man, it just has to get the surrounding area, right? So now you're gonna get an image like this, and you're gonna be like, oh no, what do I do? So basically what you would do is you would go over to the mask itself, and you're gonna press none. That way you can see what's actually highlighted. So this way it's not like confusing whenever it's actually tracking. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go over to mask, you're going to press track mask, and then all you're going to do is just press this little play button right here. You're going to let it do its thing. Thankfully this is a short clip, or else this would take 10 years to do. You're going to let it finish masking, and then what you're going to do is essentially go over here to subtract, and then it's going to create this little hole in the image, right? So now it looks like this, essentially. Now you have like an empty sort of thing right there. All you're gonna do from here, guys, is you're gonna go to Content Aware Fill, which is right here. And if you don't see it in your toolbox, it's gonna go to Window, and you're gonna type in, or you're gonna find it right here, Content Aware Fill. So if it's not there, just go to Window up here at the top. You're gonna find Content Aware Fill, and we'll bring it up down here. I'm just gonna keep it at this fill method object. I'm gonna keep the lighting correction at subtle, and then I'm just gonna press generate fill layer. Let it do its thing. It's not always perfect, but I'm finding for like little projects that I'm doing, if it's like a quick fix where it needs something like this, 8 times out of 10 gets the job done. Let it do its thing. Cool. There we go. And now it's fixed. Now, if I want to take it a step further, what I can do is I can highlight both of these, right? So now they're both highlighted. I hold shift. Whoop, I held shift, highlighted both of them. I'm going to right click it, and I'm going to do pre-compose. And the reason why I'm going to do this is because I want to glue these shots together. So this is going to be it in its final form. And basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the pre-comp right here. So it will put you into a new tab, which is the pre-comp of what you just made. But if you go back to the original one, which would be right next to it, that's the pre-comp version of it. So this is the fixed version right here. But what I want to do is now I want to get this other piece right here. So basically I don't have to like re-export it, re-import it back in, re-export it. You know what I'm saying? So now I'm going to go in, I'm going to do the same exact method. I'm going to track it. Cool. Gonna click this little down arrow right here, go to mask, go to subtract, or I mean none. And then let's track it again, guys. Click right here, press track mask. Right click on mask, press track mask, and then you're gonna press the little play button. Cool. That is done. And then basically what you're gonna do, again, go over to the mask, the blending mode right here, and you're going to press subtract. Again, go over here to content aware fill. Keep the settings the same, but again, you can always kind of mess with these as you kind of keep doing other projects. Press generate fill layer. Let's see what it does. And then if this doesn't work, then I would just have to redo the mask and kind of finesse it a little bit, but most of the times it does. Like, it looks like it came up pretty good right here. Cool. And now, boom. The client's literally not going to notice anything. It's not perfect. This is, again, quick. I could obviously go in here, finesse it a little bit more if I really wanted to, but that's not the point of this. The point is to show you how easy this is and how fast this is. I hope that you got some value out of this, and if you want some more tutorials or anything like that, let me know. Leave me a comment, and I will be dropping a video here in the next couple of days of why I haven't been posting, if any of you care. So with all that being said, I hope you like this and you can subscribe, and hopefully you can see some value. And I appreciate you watching, and I will catch you on the next one. If you like this video, YouTube recommends that you check out this one, and I will see you on the next one. All right, peace.